Hey YouTube, Magnificent here. Got a problem with my side mirror. It doesn't move. Not only that, none of this moves. Well, just to show you, check out the, you hear that? That moves. Look at the mirrors there. Look at them, they move. The mirrors are moving, but on this side, literally nothing is moving. So I believe it's a problem with this module. I'm gonna check it and see, and I'll let you know what happens. I've tried everything. I've tried the battery. I've tried it all. So let's switch this thing. I got something, got this from eBay. This replacement piece from eBay, about 45 bucks. Pretty cheap if you ask me, and we'll see what happens. All right, YouTube, here's the difference, the reason it's not working. So this is the new DCM. This is that little white dot right there. That's the water damage indicator. Notice how clean this is. Take a look at this old one. Completely corroded. Look at that red dot. It means it's water damage. All the way around. It's eating everything up. So of course over time you'll have malfunction. So even if I didn't turn it on, if I was a betting man, I would say that would be the problem. All right, YouTube, we went ahead and installed it. Check it out. It works. I know it works because I roll the windows. Everything works perfectly. One of the indicators that was slowly, little by little, even my welcome light wasn't working. You know. So now literally everything works. So that's normally the case. If this isn't working, the mirrors aren't working. I mean, and it could not necessarily be all at the same time, but it could be just little by little, like it was with me. The module was slowly getting just bad because of all that grime. So change that DCM, and you'll be good.